There are seasons when a song doesn't just sound beautiful, it tells the truth you've been trying to find words for. This has been one of the songs for me. I hope it meets you where you are. Out on the farthest edge, there in the silence, you were there. My faith was torn to shreds, my heart in the balance. You were there, always faithful, always good. You still have me. You still have my heart. I thought I had seen the end, everything broken. You were there. I've wandered in heaven's gates. I've made my bed in hell. You were there still. You're always faithful, always good. You still have me. You still have my heart. If you're going through one of those seasons where life feels uncertain, where your faith feels stretched, I hope to remind you you're not walking alone. Sometimes a song can carry us until we find words again. This is Quiet Maverick Soundscapes. I'm Gregory Michael. Thank you for spending a few moments with me. Remember, the in-between is still part of the journey, but it's not the destination. Stay oriented towards hope. Still waters, steady hands, grace in motion.